Alright students, today we're going to continue our look at circles by taking a peek at how to calculate the area of a half circle or semicircle. So before watching this video, make sure you fully understand how to find the area of a circle, pi times radius squared, how to find the circumference of a circle, and know that the circumference is equivalent to the perimeter of a circle, or as I typoed there, the circle's perimeter, just the circle's perimeter is fine, and how to convert between radius and diameter. So what is a semicircle? A semicircle is a half circle, and every semicircle or half circle has 180 degrees. A full circle has 360, so thus a half circle, 360 divided by 2 would be 180. If it's horizontal, vertical, diagonal, does not matter, same reading. And a semicircle's radius and diameter are equivalent to a full circle's radius and diameter. So if a full circle has a diameter of 7, the half circle will have a diameter of 7. And here's a quick refresher. To find the area of a circle, it is pi, 3.14, times radius squared. And of course, to square a number, you multiply it by itself. So here's a guided example. Let's find the area of this semicircle to the right. So step 1, locate the diameter radius. Well, it has a diameter of 16 miles. Multiply the diameter by 1/2 or divide by 2 to get it to a radius. Very easy. All of you should know how to do that. It is a radius of 8. And now I need to square the radius. This is another thing everyone needs to know. 8 times 8, or 8 squared, equals 64. Then, to find the area of a circle, as I just mentioned, you would do radius squared times pi. So now I need to multiply 64 by pi. And I end up with 200.96. And then I divide by 2. 200.96 divided by 2 equals 100.48 miles squared. And that would be my area of the semicircle. So once again, you find the area of a circle, which is radius squared times pi, and then you divide it by 2 because it's a half circle. That's all you do. All right, let's look at this real-life example. The radius of the moon is about 1,080 miles. What is its area? All right, so step 1, we've located the radius. It's 1,080 miles. So we move on, and we have to square the radius, which is 1,080 times 1,080. It's a large number. It's 1,166,400. Then I need to multiply that by pi, because once again, students, area of a circle is radius squared times pi. Pi is 3.14. I multiply it, and I get 3,662,496. And the last step, since we're dealing with a half circle or a semicircle, the half moon, I need to divide it by 2, which is 1,831,248 miles squared. So once again, step by step, locate diameter radius. We got the radius. We made it into a radius. We squared it by multiplying by itself. We multiplied by pi, and then we divided by 2. All right, now it's your turn. What is the area of the yellow semicircle? You might have to refer back to the step-by-step directions. That's fine, but please find the area of the yellow semicircle. All right, let's see how you did. So we have a diameter of 6 inches. We're looking for the area. The radius, excuse me, yes, we are looking for the area, but the radius was 3, and you need the radius to get the area. And then we squared the radius. 3 squared is 9. We multiplied by pi. 9 times 3.14 is 28.26. And then lastly, you divided by 2, and you ended up with 14.13. So 14 and 13/100 inches squared is the area of the yellow semicircle. Let's do another one, this time the pink semicircle. It has a radius of 4 units. Pause the tape, do it on your own, we'll see how you do. All right, so we have a diameter of 8 units. That's irrelevant. We know it's a radius of 4 units. We square the 4. 4 by 4 is 16. Multiplied by pi, 16 times pi is 48.42. Then you divide that by 2. 48.42 divided by 2 is 24.21. The area of this half circle, semicircle, whatever you want to call it, is 24 and 21/100 units squared. That's what it is. We'll see you next time.